So today we're going to be making a 2-ingredient fudge. The 2 ingredients are Belgian dark chocolate and Sweden condensed milk. So first thing, we're just going to open this up here. So first thing we're going to do is just break up the chocolate into pieces. Second thing, what's the second thing that we're doing? So we're going to be breaking it up into even parts so that it all melts at the same time. So we're just going to put the chocolate into here. And set it to low. I'm just using a standard 240 watt gas powered oven. But in all seriousness, you have to keep on stirring. So we're going to be getting close to where it starts melting. We're going to put in the condensed milk. So it's all melted. We're going to turn it off. So we're going to keep stirring so that the chocolate doesn't burn, and then we're going to pour it into the tray. I prepared a tray with baking paper and butter so that it doesn't stick. We're going to smooth it out.